In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use multiple audio outputs on Windows. Firstly, press the Windows button on your keyboard. Type sound in the search bar, and then click on Change System Sound from the search result. In the sound window, head over to the Playback tab. Ensure the output device you want to use is selected. If not, select the correct device and click Enable. In the sound window, switch to the Recording tab. Right-click on an empty space within the Recording tab and make sure Show Disabled Devices is checked. Find the Stereo Mix option, right-click on the Stereo Mix and select Enable. Set Stereo Mix as a default device by right-clicking and selecting Set as Default Device. Next, click on Apply, then OK to save the changes and restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.